Howdy Tigers, I'm Paxton Talley and welcome to KTGR, your one-stop shop for Consol News. Teachers, feel free to pause if your students need to see any QR codes, slides, or graphics. We have some pretty exciting events coming up to wrap up the school year. On May 5th, the usual roles are reversed. Come watch the girls play ball and the guys cheer them on at Tigerland Stadium at 6:30 p.m. Tickets are $2 for pre-sale and $5 at the gate. As always, we have opportunities for Tigers to give back to the community. Scan this QR code and help our administrators spend $2,500 from the Community Connector Grant. It's time to take the fight to cancer. Help us support the American Cancer Society by using the QR code on the screen. Donate to save lives and fund future cancer research, patient support, and advocacy through Relay for Life. And lastly, the Sports Medicine Department is looking for hardworking students that love sports and helping others. Scan the QR code for more information. We also have a few reminders. Future sophomore drivers, from April 17th to the 21st, you can reserve a spot in the parking lot and paint it. Reservations are $65. If you need a physical, CSISD UIL physicals will be here on Wednesday, May 3rd in the main gym from 3 to 6 by appointment. To sign up for an appointment, bring $20 and a completed medical history form to Eli Dinkmeyer in the Fieldhouse Athletic Training Room. And our administrators want to remind us to not open doors. Anyone who needs to be let in can go through the front office. Also, keep in mind that students are not allowed to leave campus without parent permission and signing out at attendance. And remember to keep our bathrooms clean. If you see students violating these rules, you can report it to an administrator.
Hi, I'm Steve.
And I'm Claire.
And you're watching the
Awkward Channel.
Did you walk into the wrong class again? Everyone stared at you. You felt alone, naked and afraid? Well, I'm going to make you feel empowered. Today I'm going to show you how to get out of that situation. Woohoo! Hey, so now what you want to do is you want to walk in and act like you're trying to say hi to that teacher. Try to be on their good side, you know? And you want to slowly walk out like this.
Just came to say hi. Have you ever thought someone was waving at you, so you waved back, but they weren't really waving at you?
Yeah, it happens to me a lot. Now that's very awkward.
Now imagine yourself walking down the hallway. You wave at your friend, but he's clearly not waving back at you, but now it's already awkward. You could try scratching your head, raising the roof, or even changing the light bulb.
Have you ever called your teacher mom? Well, I did that myself a couple weeks ago. It was really embarrassing. So I'm going to teach you how to recover from that embarrassment.
Hey, Mom. Sorry, there's no actual way to recover from that. You're just gonna have to own it.
Thanks for watching.
Tune in next time for Awkward Channel.
Welcome back, Tigers. Up next, we have clubs and organizations. FCA, Fellow Christian Athletes, is a meeting ground for all athletes looking to further their faith while playing games and just having a great time. This week's meeting will be held in the Pep Rally Gym from 7:30 to 8:15 a.m. on Friday. And if you need a safe space to express yourself, GSA is meeting on these days as well. That's all for today, Tigers. I'll see you next time on KTGR.